Welcome to News Moment English. I am your host, Ohona, bringing you the latest headlines, in depth analysis, and breaking stories from around the globe. India's extreme weather, hot temperature, killed 77 people over the past 10 days, including dozens of polling officers when the vote ended in the world's biggest election. Jolt to BJP in UP, Maharashtra, and Bengal. Shatrughan Sinha danced to the beat of the drum with his supporters. Harjit Singh, working president of Congress, is confident of INDA government and to work for Sikh industries in Asansol. Nota is second in number in Indore constituency of Madhya Pradesh. This news is sponsored by RICIS institutions. As per reports from Ahona Dash, in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Indore constituency saw over 1.38 lakh voters opting for Nota, following Congress candidate Akshay Kanti Bam's last-minute withdrawal and defection to BJP. This led to a surge in Nota votes, placing it second behind BJP's Shankar Lalwani. The incident drew criticism, including from former Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. Despite controversies, BJP leads in all Madhya Pradesh seats. Nota's national presence decreased below 1%, but Indore saw a significant rise to 14.11%. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। तो कहाँ है मछलियाँ और कहाँ रखा जाए पानी? तो एक्वेरियम ही में छुपी है ये सारी कहानी। आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, जहाँ आपको मिलेंगी हर तरह की मछलियाँ और बेहतरीन एक्वेरियम। आपको आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम में मिल जाएंगी हर तरह के एक्वेरियम इक्विपमेंट, जैसे फिल्टर स्टोन और फिशेस की हर वैरायटी। एक ही नाम, आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, BNR मोड़, अपोजिट रविंद्र भवन, शॉप नंबर 22। For contact, call on 9609 77 3040.
Harjit Singh, working president of Congress, is confident of INDA government and to work for Sikh industries in Asansol. This part of the news piece is sponsored by TVS PSG. Let us hear what Mr. Harjit Singh says.
देखिए, अगर तो हम नहीं, हम तो ये पूर्ण विश्वास है हम लोगों की इंडिया की सरकार बनेगी। और हम लोग आगे भी जब यूपी की सरकार थी तो हम लोग एक नया कारखाना यहाँ लाए थे 2.5 मिलियन टन का। और हम लोग सबसे पहले आसनसोल में तो जो रुकन कारखाना है इनको जरूर चालू करेंगे, और बनपुर में भी एक और नया कारखाना आ रहा है। और हम लोगों का प्रयास रहेगा कि आसनसोल शिल्पांचल जो आगे की तरह जगमगाता था, इंडस्ट्रियल बेल्ट था, कोल बेल्ट है, तो वो हम लोग उसको पूर्ण रूप से जीवित करेंगे, जो भी इंडस्ट्री बंद है। और यहाँ हम लोग चाहेंगे कि मेडिकल के लिए भी अच्छा कोई मेडिकल हब आए, बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए भी अच्छा कॉलेज आए। अगर यूपीए हम लोग इंडिया की सरकार आएगी तो हम लोग ये जरूर करेंगे।
वन नेशन अनपुट के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मेरा तो आपसे पहले कहे ना कि हम लोग यहाँ जितने भी कारखाने बंद या सीख हैं, हम लोग सबको पुनर्जीवित करेंगे, उनका मर्जर करेंगे किसी न किसी प्लांट के साथ, बड़ी इंडस्ट्री के साथ, या हम लोग उसका मॉडर्नेशन करके उस प्लांट को चालू करेंगे। ये हम लोग का प्राथमिकता रहेगा। ऐसा हम लोग पहले भी यूपीए के वन के टाइम में किए हैं।
आज रात को आप लोग खुशी मनाएंगे?
उन विश्वास है हम लोगों की हम लोग आज खुशी मनाएंगे और अपना जो वादा है उसको पूरा करेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों ने जो अपना वोट दिया है वो मुद्दों पर दिया है। ये कांग्रेस अपने मुद्दों पर लड़ी थी, इंडिया अपने मुद्दों पर लड़ा था, और इनके पास एनडीए के पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं था। वो लोग जात धर्म इनको लेकर लड़ा था, और हम लोग बेरोजगारी, बेकारी, महंगाई, इन सब मुद्दों को लेकर चले थे। इंडस्ट्री को डेवलप करना, किसानों को देखना, ये हमारे पास मुद्दे थे। तो हम लोगों को पूर्ण विश्वास है कि जनता हम लोगों को इस बार जरूर बहुमत देगी, और हम लोग उनका शुक्रिया अदा भी करते हैं, और शाम को हम लोग अपना खुशी भी मनाएंगे।
Stay tuned for more news after the break.
स्कूल ट्यूशन के लिए कहीं और मत ही जाओ।
जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ, क्योंकि जॉर्ज एकेडमी सिर्फ ट्यूशन सेंटर नहीं है। यहाँ पढ़ाई है, पिकनिक है, फन है और एनुअल इवेंट्स भी है। और हम यहाँ बोर नहीं होते हैं।
साथ साथ हमारे मार्क्स भी इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं और हमारे सारे स्कूल के टॉपर्स भी यहीं हैं।
इतना ही नहीं, यहाँ संस्कार भी मिलता है।
तो फिर ट्यूशन नहीं, जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ।
Fluctuating reports of different media houses at the same time. This news piece is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. Live vote counts from different media houses at 2:48 p.m. showed varying results for NDA and INDIA, raising questions about real-time data collection and verification processes. The 2024 Lok Sabha elections, with over 8,000 candidates and a record 64.2 crore voters, are underway. Early counts indicate a lead for BJP-led NDA. However, the final outcome remains uncertain despite exit polls favoring the NDA. These discrepancies underscore the dynamic nature of live election coverage. One media house reported 293 votes for NDA and 232 for INDIA. In contrast, another showed 298 votes for NDA and 227 for INDIA. While one report said 292 votes for NDA and 228 for INDIA, one more house showed 285 votes for NDA and 244 for INDIA. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Priya Cosmetic, near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Insignificant announcements. Lastly, BJP entered in Kerala. This news piece is sponsored by ASP. According to the reports from Mohammad Khalid and Ankit Srivastava, BJP pinning the wall of UDF and Congress balloon. As vote counting is underway, Congress-led UDF seems like heading for a near sweep in the state. As per the trends, UDF is leading in 16 out of 20 seats, BJP in 2, LDF in 2. The most awaited result from Kerala would be in Thrissur, where BJP candidate Suresh Gopi, actor turned politician, has upset both Congress and LDF. Gopi has been clearly maintaining a lead over rivals VS Sunil Kumar of CPI and K. Muralidharan of Congress. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi continued to lead in Wananad by crossing a majority of 3.04 lakh votes, while star candidate KK Shailaja had trailed. The trend shows that if BJP loses somewhere but it gains two, and in Kerala BJP enters to pinning the balloon of Congress and UDF. Stay tuned for more news after the break. Shatrughan Sinha danced to the beat of the drum with his supporters. This news piece is sponsored by Angel Vidya Mandir. Trinamool candidate Shatrughan Sinha is leading from Asansol Lok Sabha constituency by 60,000 votes. Now only a short distance is left to count. It is being told that there is a lead of 45,000 from Pandaveshwar Assembly, 26,000 from Barabuni, 11,000 from Jamuria. Apart from this, Trinamool has got lead in Raniganj and Asansol North, and BJP has got lead in Kulti and Asansol South. Holi is being played in various areas, fireworks are being set off, while in West Bengal, out of 42 seats, Trinamool is leading on 29 seats, BJP on 12, Congress is leading on 1, Kirti Azad is leading by more than 1 lakh votes in Durgapur. Ognimitra Pal from Midnapur is behind by more than 40,000 votes. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh called for a ban on exit polls. This news piece is sponsored by Shine Academy. AAP leader Sanjay Singh called for a ban on exit polls, alleging they were attempts to influence Lok Sabha election results. Singh accused survey agencies of operating under pressure from the ruling party, expressing gratitude for the self-exposure. He claimed this was an attempt to influence the public administration and election commission before vote counting. Singh highlighted inconsistencies in pollsters' figures across states, including incorrect seat allocations in Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand. India TVCNX exit poll forecast 371 to 401 seats for NDA and 109 to 139 seats for the opposition alliance India. Jan Ki Baat estimates 362 to 398 seats for the NDA and 141 to 161 seats for INDIA. Dainik Bhaskar's poll predicts 281 to 350 seats for the NDA and 145 to 201 seats for the Indian Alliance. News 24 today's Chanakya's exit poll suggests the BJP could win 335 seats while the NDA potentially can exceed 400 seats. Congress is projected to win 50 seats, the Alliance 100 seats and other parties 36 seats. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Rekha matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Jolt to BJP in UP, Maharashtra and Bengal. This news is sponsored by B&M Coaching Center. As vote counting for the Lok Sabha election proceeds on Tuesday, the opposition INDIA bloc has defied exit poll predictions, gaining ground in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and West Bengal. In Uttar Pradesh, a tight race is unfolding between the NDA and the INDIA bloc, with the SP leading in 36 states, BJP in 32 and Congress in 9. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads in Varanasi while Rahul Gandhi leads in Rai Bareli. In West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress leads in 32 seats with BJP leading at 9 and Congress in 1. In Maharashtra, Congress, BJP and Shiv Sena each lead in 11 seats, NCP in 8 and Shiv Sena in 5. Stay tuned for more news after the break. India's extreme weather, hot temperature, killed 77 people over the last 10 days, including dozens of polling officers, when the vote ended in the world's biggest election. This news piece is sponsored by Infocom. India has had a hot summer with some Delhi capitals recording the highest temperature ever in the country at 49.9 degrees Celsius on Tuesday last week when voters started voting for 6 weeks of election. 33 polling officers were recorded dead in one day in India's most populous state of Uttar Pradesh. Chief Election Officer in the state, Navdeep Rinwa, told reporters on Sunday. Each of their families will receive USD 18,000 as compensation. Stay tuned for more news after the break. UP shocked for PM Modi's BJP, INDIA makes a surprise gain. As counting is underway for the Lok Sabha elections, leads favoured the BJP-led NDA over the opposition alliance INDIA. The BJP's Uttar Pradesh dominance, however, faced a tough challenge from the INDIA bloc. The contest between the BJP and INDIA alliance in the Lok Sabha polls is a reflection of a broader ideological battle. Now finally, it's time for the SMS of the moment. Be strong now because things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't rain forever.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.